What is 1E100.net and why do I have TCP ports open to it? I see my PC has TCP connections open to 1E100.net. Then I check the whois record and find it is registered to Google. Weird. A quick search seems to indicate that 1E100.net is pretty popular, about the same reach as adobe.com or bbc.co.uk, according to Alexa. But what is it? I run Chrome, so I assume it might have something to do with that, but why is there so little information about it?
It's Google's safe browsing feature in Chrome. That feature checking sites and tell you if that site is attack site. Cine 800, at MikTech, Google has all its search servers under the 1E100 domain. I know this is kind of late, but WE. It does not only relate to Google safe browsing.
Here is the truth. Google tracks you, me and everybody. Lots of Google services use 1E100.net, but that doesn't mean 1E100 is just for the services you want to have. For example, Google's safe browsing feature, or I should say snitch, is being used no matter what you choose. Even if you disable any option on Chrome to prevent safe browsing, you will still have lots of connections to 1E100.net. I have been trying to block all connections to 1E100.net, but no luck. If you are using Google Chrome or any other Chrome-based browser, Komodo Dragon, Yandex browser and so on, your browser will send the URL you are visiting to Google. Even if you tell Chrome not to do that. You can confirm that with these steps. Download and install Komodo Dragon to test any Chrome-based browser. Do that. Of course, Google Chrome also does that. Uncheck all checkboxes under the Privacy section in the Setting tab. Change default search engine for Omnibox. You can use DuckDuckGo or something else. Type in URL into address bar and Chrome immediately inform 1E100.net about the URL you are about to visit. Not only that, Google Update.x will run and send some more information even if Chrome is closed and Google Update service is disabled. I used Komodo Firewall to block 1E100.net and guess what? Then I found that Chrome uses IP addresses to access 1E100.net services, not domain name. That's a clever way to get through firewalls. Since there is huge number of IP addresses belonging to 1E100.net, it became impossible to block it by IP addresses. On the other way, so other services also use 1E100.net, which makes blocking 1E100.net resulting in also blocking some Google services, Maps, Gmail, etc. Google started with the motto "Don't be evil," but I say, "Don't be evil," says the devil. I recommend to use Firefox as browser. Of course, you will still need to disable safe browsing in Firefox, and stop using Google products. I know it is a painful experience to do it, but it had to be done.
From Google Help. .1E100.net is a Google-owned domain name used to identify the servers in our network. Following standard industry practice, we make sure each IP address has a corresponding host name. In October 2009, we started using a single domain name to identify our servers across all Google products, rather than use different product domains such as youtube.com, blogger.com, and google.com. We did this for two reasons. First, to keep things simpler, and second, to proactively improve security by protecting against potential threats such as cross-site scripting attacks. Most typical internet users will never see 1e100.net, but we picked a googly name for it just in case. 1e100 is scientific notation for one Google.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.